How's it going, guys? This is Milton Washington Tech 1999 back here again with another unboxing video with two items. I am in a unique location, aka what is to be my future room. Just a little sneak peek at what's coming, but here are the two items. This is a Samsung wireless charging stand with fast charge. I believe it's either adaptive fast charging or it's quick charge 3.0. I think it's adaptive though. Then this is actually a smartwatch. The fitness tracker is the brand. So let's go ahead and open these. But actually, I'll save all the hassle of you guys having to watch me struggle. I'll just go ahead and have these open right now. Look at this. This is the fast charge dock with, for some reason it all came in white and not black. Doesn't really matter. Oh well, but anyways, this is the smartwatch and an additional red wristband with it. And this is the fast charger for my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's go ahead and see it all assembled right now. I went ahead and put the watch in the red silicone wrist strap because I'm a fan of red for one, and I just felt like it. This silicone feels really nice actually. And here's all the sensors and everything for the watch. Focus that. Nope, too close. Oh well. So I'll go ahead and get this all set up real quickly and put my phone on the quick charger because it's about to die. So I'll skip ahead to that.